Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to your Samsung account on the device before starting. Use the same account you used with Smart Switch previously. Confirm the device model and IMEI, such as SMG 998B and 356,789,012,345,678 when prompted. Keep the phone awake and connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data during the process. Disable any VPN or proxy settings that might block Samsung services. Make sure Find My Mobile is enabled for the same Samsung account if your device supports it. Open Smart Switch on your Windows or Mac computer and select Emergency Recovery from the main menu. Connect your device with a USB cable and accept any connection prompts on the phone. Follow on-screen prompts to enter your Samsung account email and the device IMEI when requested. Smart Switch will attempt to generate an emergency recovery code for your device. If the utility cannot generate a code, collect your proof of purchase and serial details before contacting Samsung support. If Smart Switch cannot produce a code, contact Samsung support with your account email, device model, IMEI, and proof of purchase. Use Samsung's chat, phone, or local service center options listed on your country support page. Expect verification to take time. Allow up to 48 hours for manual review in some regions. When Samsung provides an emergency recovery code, enter it into Smart Switch on your PC to restore or unlock the device. Keep a backup of the code and update account security afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.